All right, so where we left off last time was we had the clear to do button popping up, but we haven't actually added the functionality. It just console logs working right now. Okay, sweet. So let's go to the main.js and let's say clear to dos right here. What we want to do here is we want to get the list, all of the children that are in that list. We want to remove them from the list itself. So let's go const items, or we'll call them to-dos. I'll just call them items. Items equals document dot query selector. Well, actually, const items equals, we've already brought in a list, so we go list.children. And let's console log that real quick to see what we get. So let's go CLG items, and what you'll see is that when we click on the clear, it's going to console log an HTML collection, right? So an HTML collection, you're not able to use, the reason that I did it like this was to show you. So an HTML collection does not allow you to use the built-in JavaScript array helper methods like map, for each, things that you would normally need for that. So instead of query selector to just get to just be listing out the instead of going const items equals list.children, what we can do is go const items. This is the better way to do it. Const items equals, and we'll use document dot query selector all. And when you use query selector all, you can see we're going to look for all of the ones with list item, with the name of list item, and then we'll console log items. And you can see right here, whenever I add a couple of to-dos here, clear button pops up, you can see that this returns a node list. Now a node list, other than an HTML collection, a node list will act, or different from an HTML collection, a node list will actually allow you to use higher order array helper methods in JavaScript, so like the map, for each, things like that. So what we can do is we can just go items dot for each, and that will give you an it takes in a callback item, and then within that we can go item dot remove. Cool, for all of the items. And then we can also right here, after that's done, we can do hide clear, and we'll make another function for that, hide clear. And this is just going to hide the clear button. So let's go function hide clear, and that's just going to take in clear btn dot style dot display is going to equal none. So it'll make the clear button go away. All right, so let's see if this works. This is a test. I need to make some pizza. I need to go to the movies. I need to call my mother, who's really nice. We can delete one, but then when we clear them, okay, now here we go. Hide clear, spelled it wrong. Darn it. So let's try that again. So we'll make pizza, walk dog, call my mom, and go work out. Okay, so we get one, it goes away, clear, they all go away, and so does the clear button. The last thing that we need to do is, let's say that we have a couple of to-do items in here. We've got these. And let's say that I click to where I'm down to one to-do item. Well, I don't want that clear to-do to still be there if I've got one to-do item. So let's go into the delete item, and what we'll do here is we'll go if list.children.length, if it's equal to 1, then we want to run that hide clear. Let's see if that works. So let's go here, delete that. It's not working because we're removing this, so we need to run this after the remove. So let's go like this, e.remove, and then we'll go if. So let's see if this works. Click there, and it goes away. And then we click that, and it goes away. And then we can enter something. We get our alert. It goes away. And then we can enter these in. And we can clear them, and it goes away. Okay, cool. So that's a to-do list. That's basic DOM manipulation JavaScript. You could do more with this. You could add it to local storage to where your to-do items actually kind of persist. You can add maybe a filter to where you could filter through to-do items. But this is good. This is basically the basics of it, and this is something good to practice on, especially if you're new and you're wanting to get better at DOM manipulative JavaScript. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's nice and like 11:30 on a Sunday morning. I'm gonna go get some barbecue chicken. All right, later.